Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
The Taraba State Governor Akbo Kefas delivered a strong message to traditional rulers, urging them to uphold their sacred trusts and avoid practice that undermines peace and development of the state. The governor warned against the indiscriminate sale of land. Sokoto State Governor Ahmed Aliu has awarded the overall best graduating student of Usman Danfodio University, Sokoto Sharif Abdullahi, a fully funded trip to Saudi Arabia for the 2026 Hajj exercise. The Kaduna State Governor Uba Sani has emphasized that the responsibility of safeguarding lives and property lies primarily with political leaders at the state level, rather than being pushed onto the president or federal authorities. The Plateau State House of Assembly has banned the compulsory yearly purchase of textbooks in schools and outlawed frequent graduation ceremony in nursery and primary schools. Now in security, suspected bandits have ambushed operatives of the Community Watch security outfit in Dandume local government area of Katsina State, killing 8 persons and setting 2 patrol vehicles on fire. The incident happened late Friday night. Similarly, troops have eliminated score bandits in ongoing clearance operations in Kankara local government area of Katsina State. Troops of the 6th Brigade Nigerian Army have intensified their effort to curb criminality and restore peace in Taraba with a cordon and search operations conducted on Saturday. At least 2 officers were killed when suspected Boko Haram terrorists struck in the Manguno local government area of Borno State. Sources revealed that the incident took place on Thursday, but due to a poor telecommunications network, the information was delayed. The police in Kaduna have arrested 3 suspected in connection with a deadly attack, kidnapping and culpable homicide in Rigachuku exit of Igabi local government area of the state. Now politics. The lawmaker representing Kiru Bebeji Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Abdulmumin Jibrin Kofa, on Saturday announced his exit from the New Nigerian People's Party hours after his sudden expulsion from the party. Senator Natasha has completed the 6-month suspensions handed down by the Senate on March 6, 2025, clearing the way for her return to plenary. Tambola accuses APC Tinubu of destabilizing opposition parties. Jonathan says constitutions cannot stop him as court clear him for 2027 presidential race. Now from the international scene, Russia is preparing to roll out its cancer vaccine following the successful completions of preclinical trials, which proved both safety and high effectiveness. Veronica, director of the Federal Medical and Biological Agency and former Minister of Health, made the announcement at the weekend. London police have arrested more than 425 protesters during violent clashes at a rally calling on the United Kingdom's government to lift a ban on the Palestine Actions Group Defends Our Jurists. The campaign group that organized the rally on Saturday said over 1,500 people participated in the demonstrations outside UK Parliament. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.